Hello team and family. We're working on multiplying and dividing of decimals and fractions. So before you start, if you need to, you can pause the video. You need to write down this problem starting with 4 friends. I'll give you the amount of time you need. Just make sure you pause the video, and then when you're ready you can start it. So the problem says 4 friends equally shared the cost of supplies for a picnic. The supplies cost $12.40. How much did each pay? So when I go through this problem, I see some important things. How much did each person pay? So I want to figure out, I've got 4 friends. I'm going to draw 4 stick figures for 4 friends. I like to draw to kind of understand pictures better, or to understand problems better, excuse me. These 4 friends bought supplies for a picnic. Out of it, it all cost $12.40. That's how much it cost. How much did each one of these people pay? So I've got a total, and I want to divide it amongst 4 people. The total is $12.40, and I want to figure out how much did each person pay, so I'm dividing that by 4. So I put my division bar. I put $12.40 on the inside, it's my dividend, and I put 4 people on the outside because that's my divisor. I'm going to go ahead and draw an arrow going up. I'm going to put my decimal point above the line because I know that when my dividend has a decimal in it, I need to put it above the long division bar. 4 goes into 1 0 times. 4 times 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring down the 2. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Bring down the 4. 4 goes into 4 1 time. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down the 0. 4 doesn't go into 0, so I can put $3.10. So I want to check to make sure that each person did pay $3.10. So I'm going to do $3.10. I'm going to take the quotient, multiply it by the divisor, and see if I get the dividend. So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. And my decimal below. Because, and I won't put my decimal yet. Let me erase that. I'm jumping steps. So 4 times 3 is 12. I have 1,240. I know that the decimal is 2 places over from being a whole number. 1, 2. And then 4 is already a whole number because the decimal's to the right of it, so that's a 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. So in my answer I need to move 1, 2, 2 spaces over. So my answer is $12.40, which, I'm going to put a check next to it, matches my dividend. So my answer is $3.10. Box it in, and I'm done.